Yes, you do. Hi guys. So, today I'm just gonna show you guys like my slime that I made. Slime. Sand slime is kind of sand slime. It's in this little bucket, and every day you leave it out, it kind of has water in it. It was like kinetic sand before, so look at it. Like, if you pull it apart, you can just pull it apart. But yeah, let me show you another one that I made. I really like it. It's blue. And you can, it's like Play-Doh. You can mold it and stuff. And yeah, it's not stretchy at all. But yeah, you can just like mold it. And if you guys want to know how to make this, I'll tell you right now. So first you need glue, Elmer's glue, and baking soda. You need some baking soda right here. Just to prove that I'm not like faking it. Okay, I won't pause the video because then you'll think I'm faking it and using actual sand. So you take a little bit of Elmer's glue, and that was a lot. Put it in there. Oh no, I just got it all over my hand. Well, I don't care. Let's turn it. Alright, then I use this Rit Dymore, like synthetic super pink, like dye for it, so. Whoa, not that dark. I want it to be pretty dark because like I only have like light colors. So yeah, it's gonna turn out pretty like dark. So well, that's what I'm hoping it is. So I'm just gonna mix it. I don't like the color purple, only if it's like a really light purple, but I guess this is okay. And then we're gonna take some baking soda and just like, oh my gosh, that was so much. Not that much. Alright, I put some black baking soda. You could tell us baking soda because I don't have our slime activator actually ran out, so I had to use this baking soda. I would pause it just to like knead it, because like it's gonna take a very long time to knead it. So you want to put a lot of baking soda in. That's what helps it becomes the sand. And it's already becoming sand. So just need to mix it. Sorry for the music. And look at it. Purple sand slime. Or whatever color you want it to be. Alright. That's how you make it. So, yeah. Bye guys.